welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be Vlogmas day 1 and it's a life update, so stay tuned. We moved from Massachusetts to Florida back in August of this year, and then we stayed with family because the house wasn't ready. The house is still not ready, so we found a temporary apartment 6 months later. This is our temporary apartment. That is a couch. Those are the empty boxes from some of the big packages. This is the kitchen. Mirrors. Bathroom. I still need to install the shower rod. And little mirror inside the bathroom. There's a closet in the hallway. Daeson's room. Closet back here. All his things are. It's a good size for a little person. This is his old crib slash I converted it to a toddler bed when he turned like a little past 1. So he's gonna sleep in that for the time being. And then don't mind the room shut. Don't mind this. I just can't stand all that light coming in when I wake up. And that barely does anything. And this is the bed that I need to put together. And the frame, I'm still missing the mattress. All the things are in here for the bed frame. I mean, for the bed. Isn't that crazy? This thing is heavy. Got a closet. Shift desk. More clothes that I can't fit in the closet. I'm gonna have to sort through things and put some stuff back in the pod to make room. But yeah, I'm gonna sort through those and I'm gonna get a dresser. And whatever we get here, we're gonna bring with us to, this is an air mattress. That's what I've been sleeping on until I put the actual bed up. But I'm going to do the bed today. So I'll show you guys that. And this lamp is old. Little Walmart lamps. It came from the old place back in Massachusetts. But yeah, this is it, y'all. This is it. So I haven't been vlogging so far, but I figured let me pull out the camera. I don't know, just even though it's temporary, I am gonna have some fun putting this place together, because anything I do to this place, as far as like customizing it, I'll just drag it along with us to the house, so it's not a big deal. So I am gonna have some fun decorating it and making it feel really homey. Oh, I didn't show you the back area. It's not like this is like a perk of this place. Oh, part already open. Okay. It's a back door. Oh, Daeson's ball is right there. Oops. And his shoes. That's great. And so I like that he can come out here and play. Let me take off his shoes. I swear, kids don't want to keep their shoes on. Now at least it's a good distance from the parking lot, so he can play and I can feel okay knowing he can play outside and not be near a parking lot, drastically near one, you know. So you can put like a little chair out here if you want to chill, but it's cute. Well, yeah, stay tuned. Show you the little kitchen. Move this. I'm going to be getting fresh flowers, and I'm also going to be getting some new updated like flowers. These are from the Dollar Tree. Those ones are white. I'm going to get some. Oh, and then these ones up here. So yeah, super cute. And I'm going to put a little table right here. Maybe right here, I think. Depends on I have to see how large the couch, how much space the couch takes up. My sister thinks I should put something here, but I'll have to see how much space it takes up. I don't think it's gonna take up that much space. So maybe I'll put one here instead. We shall see. So yeah, stay tuned. This is what I did yesterday. I put together my bed, but I don't have the mattress yet. This is literally the air mattress on top of the box spring that I also put together. But this is gonna do for now until the mattress gets delivered. Still need to get new curtains because this is not it, but the sun is way too bright in the morning coming in and I don't like that. So I just had to put something up. I'm definitely gonna have to get a new lamp. But this is my old lamp from the old apartment. Ring light providing light, but makeshift desk for the time being. Definitely gonna have to get a desk and yeah. So that's what I have so far. Today's task is, that's all the boxes from it, the trash. Let's put up the couch. Got a candle going. Smells so good. I got it from Target. That's my last candle. I've already run through, I had 3, but they were little ones. He's gonna be playing outside right here where I can see him. And then I just cleaned out this corner, and this is where a little table is gonna go for us to eat at when I get one. I had this here, which I need to find somewhere to put this. I don't know if we're gonna be going to the beach anytime soon. I don't know yet, so, but that's our cooler. It's pretty big. And bye, Baba. I'll see you. You stay right there where I can see you. So yeah, that's what we got going on so far. I'm going to make tea. Cheese. Oh, you want to say cheese? Say cheese. Say hi to y'all. And then I have tea right here. I'm gonna be making my little concoction. I'm gonna get the day started, so I'll show you guys what the couch looks like when I'm done, or either some of the process. I'm not sure, but talk to you later. Also got curtains, these rods, whatever these hooks for it. I have a power drill because I need that to install the video doorbell, and I have a curved shower rod. I need that to install this. So, and I'm gonna be doing a bunch of little DIYs to kind of get this place spruced up some more, especially in the bathroom. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So and I also have this video doorbell that my sister got for her place, and so that she talked it up so much that it encouraged me to get it. So I want this for my house, so I figured I'll start off with it here. Since we're on the first level and I don't really know this area, I feel like I'm gonna use this for like a level of security. So I'll show you guys when I install this. And Yes, I'm doing Vlogmas this year, but I'm not uploading daily. I will be uploading 3 times a week. That's my goal, so stay tuned for all the content to come. Bye.